Hey, Melissa, this is a question a lot of our customers are going to love the answer to. How do I build a customized personal and group page?
Thank you. That's a great question. Let me share my screen. Within Unity, you can build a personal page. Your personal page will give you the ability to access shortcuts to frequently used features from one single location. I'm showing you here where my personal page, and I have shortcuts which are called tiles on my personal page. Tiles are customizable by selecting the settings icon. The tile name, color, and description can be changed. They can be rearranged on the page by clicking and dragging. I'll show you by clicking and dragging, and I can move them around and resort them. Clicking on the settings icon, I can edit the title, the description, or I can change the color of the tile. Tiles that contain a list of items, example this one here, display a generic number in the lower right-hand corner which represents the number of items in the queue. Clicking the refresh icon will refresh the list of items that display and the number count on the tile. Clicking the tile will open the OnBase page or function. I'm going to click on here, and this is going to open the AP document search custom query. Adding a layout to your personal page is done by navigating to the layout, custom queries, batch processing, workflow, or any other layout used within Unity. So I'm going to go to custom queries, and I'm going to add search all approved plans custom query to my personal page. I'm going to select the personal page icon, and at the bottom, I'm going to select add this layout to my personal page. This will add a new file to my personal page. I'm going to go ahead and add another one. I'm going to go to batch processing, navigate back to the home ribbon, select personal page, and add this layout to my personal page. When I return to my personal page, you'll see that the two new items I've added are displayed on my personal page. Users with administrative rights can create group page to be distributed as required or recommended tiles to specific user groups. Based on the permissions given are whether users can make changes or delete the tiles from the group page. Creating a tile group starts with creating the group name. You go to File, select Administration, and Tile Group Administration. I'm going to create a new group tile. So I'll click on Add New Tile. I'm going to name it HR Tile Group. And then I'm going to select it and assign users by selecting the Edit User Groups. I'm going to add the HR department and the manager. You'll notice over on the right-hand corner there is a checkbox for require. If I am to check this box, that means that nobody would be able to make changes to the contents or delete the tiles from their personal page. I'll go ahead and click OK. Now, if I want to add something to that group tile, I'm going to go over and I'm going to go select another custom query, and I'm going to do OnBase Search All, and I'm going to select personal page and say add this layout to tile groups, and then I'll be prompted to add it to whichever tile group I have access to, and click OK. And this new tile will display on my personal page. And that is an example of creating a personal page or having the rights to create a group personal page.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. If you have a question that you would like answered on an upcoming question corner, please leave a comment below.